Well, if you ever get tired of doing the same old things here in Phuket, or you get sick of being stuck inside because of the rainy weather, you can do what I did and take your motorbike up to Ko Koh Khao in a break during the monsoon. Check it out. Flying through Phuket, I quickly made it to the border checkpoint where I breezed through without stopping and soon found myself crossing the bridge off the island to the Phang Nga province. After driving through a few small towns, I finally made it into a more beautiful backcountry part of the region with new mountains rising in the distance and deep forests on either side. Within about an hour and a half of riding, the road narrowed and I found myself going up a steep and windy mountain road. Coming out of the mountains, I could see the coast for the first time since the bridge, and I knew I was getting much closer to my destination. After stopping for some cold beers to bring to my friend's house, and while trying to avoid the island beer tax, I found myself on a long stretch of construction with lots of oncoming traffic. 20 minutes later, I was at the turn for the Ko Koh Khao ferry boat at the coastal town of Ban Ham. Here the traffic was much lighter and I was driving into a spectacular looking sunset. Boat to Ko Khao? But that way. Ko Khao. Getting a little turned around and asking for directions, I made a final turn and arrived at the ferry port to a stunning view of the sunset over the Pak Ko River. Being directed towards a waiting motorbike ferry, I rode aboard and parked my bike so as not to fall on the trip across. On the boat, I enjoyed an amazing sunset view over the water in one direction and a sunset view of the mountains in another. The 3-minute ride over the river cost 80 baht as it was after 6 p.m. Otherwise, it's 40 baht with a bike or 20 baht on foot. Departing the boat, I quickly rode to my friend's land, passing closed down and abandoned shops, hotels, and resorts. Upon arriving, I was treated to an even more amazing view of the sunset over the water, but this time over his private, half-natural, half-man-made swimming lake. Here, a barbecue housewarming party was already in full swing, and it was finally time to relax and enjoy the evening. Waking up in the morning surrounded by 5-week-old puppies was a great way to awake from my hammock. The dawn was overcast but beautiful nonetheless. I checked out some of the landscape during the daylight, including the Vietnam War-era military jeeps and the BMWs that rode down from Bangkok. Then it was time for a morning swim to freshen up and wake up. My friend had stocked the pool with fish for fun, and a few of them poked at me, trying to eat any dry skin. But the pool was quite refreshing.
You guys are hungry. Everyone wants to eat.
Now it was time to explore the unknown island. Driving down absolutely abandoned roads, I wondered what this place would look like even during a busy season. This place seemed like the perfect island hideaway for those that definitely don't like crowds. The beaches were pristine and abandoned. What a relaxing place. Of course, I could not leave without saying hi to some of the local wildlife. Driving around some more, I found this place to be very peaceful with wide open wetlands and quiet scenery. Dogs seemed to be the theme of the day, as two more awaited me at my next beach stop. After collecting some nice shells, I looked up and found some marathon runners coming down the beach. Apparently there was a large marathon happening on the island that day, but from what I saw, you would not know there was many people here at all.
Deer?
Back at my friend's house, someone's parrot got stuck in a tree, which made for a short little adventure.
They take it out. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It was then time to pack up and head back to the ferry. As I awaited departure, I thought about how much I loved my short time on this little island, and I would encourage anyone to visit this place for a nice quiet holiday at the beach. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you loved viewing it as much as we loved making it. Please subscribe to our channel to keep our adventures going. It's a simple and easy way for you to support these videos. Also, check out our Patreon page, where you can join the Eastbound Gang by becoming a one-time or monthly sponsor of our videos. Thanks again, and see you in our next adventure.